Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to change your engine filter. I'll also be showing you how to clean your engine filter if you have a K&N Air Filter. The tools we're going to need is a pair of nice gloves and a air filter cleaning kit for your K&N Air Filter if you have one. If you're going to be replacing your engine filter, all you need is a brand new air filter, but I'll be using this in this video. And in my case, I'll be using a square head screwdriver, and I'll explain why right here. So unfortunately, I bought this vehicle with the air filter box damaged, and it's just the thing that keeps this box closed. So right now I have a bolt and washer that's holding on this side and on this side as well, right here. It's another bolt and washer, and that is what keeping the box into place. So I will be unscrewing these. I'm not exactly sure what the manufacturer or the Toyota thing is to keep this closed, but we'll start off unbolting those. All right, so yes, we'll start off with these two back here. Once those two are off, there's a hinge back here which we can pull up this box here, and we can have access to this filter. So I'm actually going to use my drill. Just gonna go a little bit faster. Oh. All right. Our first bolt and washer. And we'll go to the back side. And there's my second one. So if you have a, looks like an inch bolt length, if yours is broken, probably the length you need. All right, so we should be good to pull this out. And just lift on this side, and it should come out of these clips here. You don't need to pull it out fully, but you'll have access to the air filter here. And there's the air filter. Looks pretty dirty, so we'll give this a nice good clean. And so if you have if you're just changing out the filter, all you need to do is make sure that you are placing it the square angle into this corner, and the round edges on the other three corners. And you should be able to open it. So before I start using the cleaning kit, I'm gonna first bang this filter out and use a air compressor and blow everything out. And there we go. Let's use the cleaning kit now. Alright, so it comes with 2 cans. It has the oil and it comes with the cleaner. We'll start using the cleaner first. Instructions indicate that we need to spray liberally on this filter. Right, and we'll wait 10 minutes for it to do some filters, and then we'll rinse off the cleaner. Alright, just to recap, so the instructions were to rinse it under cool water. So I did that in my sink, and you can see there's a bunch of dirt that came off. And to only rinse through the clean side, which is this side, so that the dirt doesn't go through the clean side here. There's still a little bit dirty, so what we'll do is we'll put some more cleaner on it and we will rinse it off again. So just spray it. Alright, so the next step is to let it dry naturally. So I'm just going to leave it in the sun and we'll come back after a couple hours. We won't be able to put the oil on until this is fully dry, but you can see that all that dirt that was on this side, it's all gone. At least most of it anyways. You can see there's still some in the cracks, like right there. But I'm pleased with this. You can see it there. Alright, give it a couple hours. Alright, so I waited approximately 4 hours for it to dry. I just put it out in the sun and it is nice and dry, and we're gonna get ready and put this K&N Air Filter oil on it. Instructions say that we need to spray it 3 inches away and just uniform red spray. After when we're done spraying, we will wait approximately 20 minutes, let it dry, soak, whatever it needs to do. And then if there's any missing red portions, we will go ahead and patch it up with the oil again. All right, so if you have purchased a brand new one of these K&N air filters, it will look exactly like that. It should have a red tinge on it. I'm gonna use a paper cloth just to wipe the edges of this. All right, and then we'll give it a flip. And same thing on this side as well. All right, and we'll wait 20 minutes for it to dry. So it's been about 20 minutes now, and I'm happy with what it currently looks. I just gave the edges a quick wipe. But yeah, so I shall put this back in the vehicle. All right, so we're gonna put our clean filter back in. Here it is. You can see all that oil on it. Looks good. So we want this corner piece right at the end of the box here, and all these round edges here, they'll go on the other sides here. And you'll be able to see this when you're installing this. So you open this up, place it in there, and you can see that all the rounded corners here are fitting perfectly. And from another angle, so this is you can actually see here, it's a corner here. It looks rounded here, but it edges off there. The edges here are all curved. So we want this corner piece tucked in the end there. And it should fit just like that. And it fits nice and flush on here. Alright, so we're looking right beside the filter on the left side. Here's the sticker right here for references. We want to make sure that these hinges are in here perfectly, because we want to make sure that this box is sealed tightly onto this filter. So it's kind of squared off here, and there's also one back there. So make sure that you got both of them inserted. I'm gonna turn them, angle them about 30 degrees, and you should be able to push them in. And you can see here that this is touching here. And you press down, and when you try to lift it, the corner in the back here and this corner does not want to move it. The whole filtration box moves. So we have it nice and snug on there. All right, so we got the hinges in. So when you're bringing this end down, it should also get nice and flush. Sometimes it might angle weirdly, so when you try to push it down, you won't be able to push it down, or when you push it down, this is not centered into the grooves here. So again, if you look at this hinge, it's not in properly, so you can screw it on, except that you have the risk of debris and other stuff getting into the filter, which is not something we want. So just double check your hinges. Yeah, my back one is not in there. There we go. So now that's nice and flush there, and the hinges are in there. So it's a little bit difficult to get it in, but we were able to get it in. And last step is to seal it closed. So I got my long bolt here, and use your square-headed screwdriver. I got a drill here that will just quickly thread through. Doesn't need to be super tight, but should be tight. And your one back here. There you go. So that is how you change your engine filter, how to clean your K&N filter, and replace it with a new one or with a clean one. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you.